Thank you. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Not permitted. Scooters. Quick New York trip. I haven't been to Chelsea in so long, but I have my flat scooter, so it's kind of pissing me off because this scooter is the worst to ride for bowls with these long pegs. A quick little session, a quick pit stop Chelsea.
Why does it have big wood? Because I saw it.
It's taller for me because I'm a little tall.
Some got like this. It goes shorter.
Yeah, so it just goes by the size of you. It's like
My best right here.
yeah, exactly. You don't need the wheelie if you got the airs like that.
How you did that?
Woo! So if you're wondering why I'm in New York for 2 days, the main reason is tonight I'm having a True Niagen event. You guys know that I'm sponsored by True Niagen. It's a supplement brand, an NAD booster specifically. In simpler terms, it's a really good supplement for cellular energy and helps you slow down aging. I want to be able to scooter for another 100 years, so anything that can contribute to that, count me in. And there's a big event tonight, so I finally get to meet the team, hang out, connect. But look, there's a new gym. Quick little workout, and then we're gonna keep cruising down West Side Highway. This view is something. And you got a little flat piece right here, some cracks. Yo, look at this spot. It's a perfect little flat spot. The ground's not the best. There's a couple of cracks and stuff, but if we can get a little cinematic mega spin and try to whip out facing the Freedom Tower over there, that would be sick. Let's see if we can get that real quick. Got about an hour to kill, and it's been a while since I've been to the Freedom Tower, and that thing is actually pretty special to me because it's on my signature wheel. You can see right there. I want to get a photo in front of it really bad. There's a nice fisheye shot with that thing in the background. So I'm going to head here real quick and then I have to bounce back uptown for the event. Hey. What happened? Huh? Keep pedaling, my boy. Yeah, I got the shot, you can see it. And I got a little spin clip, quick little mega spin. And I don't know if you heard me screaming, but some dude was actually going to my camera. He looked like he was trying to scoop it. And I was like, uh-oh. I had to press him. I think he's trying to press me. New York, always something. But successful day, more of a chill thing just because I'm here strictly for this event. I'll try my best to bring you along just so you guys can see exactly what's happening. It's more of just like a get together with the team and everybody that's working with them, just to show all the accomplishments that they've done over the years, which is something that I'm really proud to be a part of. It's another grateful moment tonight, so it's gonna be good. Looking forward to it, and I'll do my best to bring you along.